Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master's product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the skull puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jerry Liu from Singapore and made by Puzzle Master. Difficulty level of the skull puzzle is 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the objective of the puzzle is to take the skull apart and reassemble it again. To be honest, the difficulty level 10 out of 10 is not a correct difficulty level. It's supposed to be like level 99 out of 10. It is extremely difficult puzzle. It is not only difficult to assemble, but it is also takes some time to take it apart. If you are a subscriber of my channel, probably you saw my video how I was trying to solve the skull puzzle, but I actually failed and I had to use burr tools to assemble it back. But the disassembling still took me about 5 minutes, since it is not so easy to take it apart. I thought it will be like just remove one of the parts and the rest will fall apart. No, the disassembling is quite complicated as well. This puzzle has 67 pieces and it requires 116 steps to take it apart and 116 more steps to assemble it again. These 3 red wooden pieces are not a part of the puzzle, they were added just to give this puzzle a little bit better look. So you just have to remove them before solving the puzzle, and then you can try to find the way how to take it apart and reassemble. What makes this puzzle quite difficult to solve is that pieces that you will find inside this puzzle are completely different. Some of them are quite large as the puzzle, but some are quite tiny, and it is difficult to find the way how to put these tiny pieces inside. And at some points you have to do quite very strange moves where you have to assemble some of the parts aside from the main part, then assemble them back together. It is not only difficult to find this place where you have to do so, but it is also then very difficult to merge these 2 pieces together. It took me a lot of time and it was very stressful. I was almost ready to throw this puzzle into a wall, since it was very difficult to assemble those pieces, even using burr tools. So it is extremely difficult puzzle, but also it is extremely good looking puzzle. And I think that a lot of people want to have this beautiful puzzle in their collection. And it is also quite a heavy puzzle for this size. As you can see, it is like, I don't know, maybe like 7 or 8 centimeters tall, but the weight is more than 700 grams. It is a heavy puzzle and it feels like some kind of a workout after solving this puzzle. If you like how the skull puzzle looks and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.